Today we will today hello. Today we will discuss about Azure Container Instances. While virtual machines are a great way to reduce cost, run multiple instances on a host screen, the problem with virtual machine is they need a guest operating system. Each instance of virtual machine needs a guest operating system. Whereas containers are lightweight, they can use host operating system to work. Let's see more details. Suppose you have three virtual machines. Virtual machine 1, it needs a operating system. It could be Windows or Linux. Virtual machine 2 needs its own operating system. Virtual machine 3 needs its own operating system. Generally, the size of virtual machine runs in GBs. It could be somewhere 3 GBs onward. Whereas containers, you can run multiple containers on a single host and they use the same operating system. So we could have container 1, container 2 and container 3 and they are using the same guest operating system. So containers are relatively to virtual machine, they are easy to create, stop, rerun. You can create multiple instances of virtual machines also, whereas containers are more agile, they are more easy to restart, create instances. So let's see Azure Container Instances. Azure Container Instances allow you to run application inside the container at very low cost. So let's look at Azure Container Instances. Azure Container Instances are offered as a platform as a service offering. You can run your containers with minimum effort. You don't require any virtual machine or any other operating system. So Docker is very popular. You can have your own container. You can upload your own container on Azure Container Instances and you can run. What are the advantages of using Azure Container? Azure containers are great if you are architecting your application as microservices. In microservices architecture, you break your application into smaller pieces and you deploy them independently. Let's say, take an example. When you are building an application, you may have a web tier, front end, you may be using Angular, React.js, whereas you have all your business logic in business tier and you are using databases services to store the databases. Business layer could be written in C#, Java. So the advantages of putting all these layers in container is you can scale these layers independently. Suppose your business layer is stressed, you need to scale it. Using container, you can scale it independently of web tier and storage services. Also, it helps you to build your application as lightly coupled. Suppose you want to change your web tier from Angular to React, or you want to change your data services from SQL Server to Oracle or Azure databases. You can do it very easily. Just you have to change that container with new implementation. In this video, we saw the benefits of container and Azure Container Services offering. So friends, if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter, especially LinkedIn. If you like small summaries of the video, I will be posting a lot of small summaries of the video on LinkedIn. Thanks again.